if your seller sells to you with seller financing with no interest, you could have an issue with the IRS, attaching some interest, or I can't remember the term they use for it, imputed interest, or I can't remember the word. Like I said, I'm not too smart. But anyway, the IRS could determine down the line that you should have been paying some interest, but their required interest is super low. And most sellers, we're going to offer them something. It depends on how you're trying to do your deal, what you're wanting to tempt them with, or whatever. A lot of times we'll use that strategy with sellers that have a lot of equity, and we'll just ask them, let's say the house is worth 2, they owe 1, they're wanting to sell, they want 200. So, well, we could probably give you your price. So you're looking for how much after the sale? How much are you looking to put in your pocket? And if they say, well, we expect 100,000. First, we would try to point out to them that they probably wouldn't get that after cost to sell and some other things. But when we got down to a number, we'd say, okay, Brad, what if I handed you 80,000 in cash today, what would you do with that? And some people will say, well, that's none of your business, and that's okay. But some will just tell you, well, I'm just going to put it in the bank. Okay, and what's the bank going to pay you? Have you checked that lately? Because they're paying about 20.25% interest a month or whatever. What if we could pay you 4% or whatever your number is? Okay, well, how does that work? So, find out their story, find out their plans, what they want to do, and then just make them a better deal. So